Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video. So this is a level 2 with standard LEDs, not the double. This kit, so this is a good reason why, I tell you guys I test everything, right? Because this was a power supply that is no good. It's no good from the manufacturer. So I tell you guys, we test the LEDs as they come in on the rolls. Once we cut them and I put the new ends on them or bare leads, we test them then we assemble everything, and then we test it again with the power supply and the controller that's going to go with the kit. And there's a reason why I do this. This is to make sure you guys don't have any problems when you get it. But if I were not to do this and trust overseas manufacturers, because that's where all these LEDs come from, I don't care who you buy from, I don't care how much you pay for them, none of them are made in the US. You can get some power supplies in the US, but they're just godly expensive. But this is a small power supply that we normally use on the smaller kits, and it was dead out of the box. They're epoxied on the inside, so you can't get in them, but this guy basically warmed up really quick and started smoking, and it wasn't hooked up backwards. In fact, these guys have short circuit protection in order to prevent that. But so anyway, I got a new kit. A new power supply being shipped overnight. I ordered it just a few minutes ago. Today's Sunday. It's going to ship Monday. It'll be here Tuesday. And then I just put it on the power board, test everything again, and then get these out to the new owner. But if you like the way these look, if you're interested in the set, check the video description below for a link to the website. That'll give you prices and options. We got some more options coming. I got some body kits coming. I just got to get time to get them done. And there'll be a link also if you want to email me. You can email me through the website, or you can email me direct. It doesn't matter. Just if you're going to ask about pricing, it's on the website. I get stuff all the time. How much does this cost? It's on the website. You just got to click the button and look. Don't mind answering, but you can save yourself a couple hours or a day of response time if you just click the link. That's what I pay for the website for, so it won't hurt you. I promise. It won't give you a virus. It won't steal all your money. It's just there for you to order from if you want. Anyway, got any questions, let me know, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.